Bonjour à tous. Hi dears. Comment allez-vous? How are you all? In this video, we are going to see les articles contractés avec the. Last video, I taught you les articles contractés avec a. If anyone doesn't watch my video, I will give you the link above. Please watch my last video, l'article contracté avec a, then come to this grammar. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to understand. It's clear? Let's start our today's class, les articles contractés avec the. It is nothing but the contraction of an article with a proportion the. So the meaning of article is the, and the meaning of the is of, from, about. Now let's see how we combine l'article plus the. The article is le, la, l'apostrophe, le. Le is used for masculine, la is used for feminine, l'apostrophe is used for vowel, and le is used for plural. So if we combine le plus the equal du. Du is nothing but of the, from the, about the. La plus the equal the la. The la means of the, from the, about the. L'apostrophe plus the equal the l'apostrophe. That means of the, from the, about the. Le plus the equal they. They means of the, from the, about the. I am telling one more time. L'article contracté avec the is du, the la, the l'apostrophe, they. Du is used for masculine, the la is used for feminine, the l'apostrophe is used for vowel, they is used for plural. And the meaning is of the, from the, about the. Now let's see how we are going to use l'article contracté the in a sentence. Let us see some examples. Je viens dash lycée. I'm coming dash high school. What should come? I'm coming from the high school. So see the word next to the dash is a lycée, right? So you have to check it out whether lycée is a masculine or feminine, or start with an vowel, or it's in plural. See, lycée is not in plural form. It doesn't start with an vowel. So you have to check it out whether it's a masculine or feminine. And lycée is a masculine. So you are going to use article contracté du. Je viens du lycée. I'm coming from the high school. Je viens du lycée. Nous venons dash États-Unis. We are dash United States. What should come? We are from the United States. See the word next to the dash, it is États-Unis. It's in plural form. So what should we have to use? They. Nous venons des États-Unis. We are from the United States. Nous venons des États-Unis. C'est le lait dash enfant. This is the milk dash child. What should come? This is the milk of the child. See the word next to the dash, enfant. It's in start with an vowel. So you have to use an article contracté the l'apostrophe. C'est le lait de l'enfant. This is the milk of the child. C'est le lait de l'enfant. Le livre dash professeur est gros. The book dash teacher is big. What should come? The book of the teacher is big. See the word next to the dash is professor, and professor is a masculine, so you have to use article contracté du. Le livre du professeur est gros. The book of the teacher is big. Or else the teacher's book is big. Le livre du professeur est gros. C'est la mère dash fille. This is the mother dash girl. What should come? This is the mother of the girl. See the word next to the dash is fille. Fille is a feminine. So you have to use article contracted de la. C'est la mère de la fille. This is the mother of the girl. C'est la mère de la fille. Je viens dash école. I come dash school. What should come? I come from the school. See the word next to the dash école. Start with an vowel. So what should use? Article contracted de l'apostrophe. Je viens de l'école. I come from the school. Je viens de l'école. Okay dears, now let's see some of the exceptional where you will use only the proportion the in a sentence. Now I will teach you how to use the proportion the in a sentence and where to use it. Je parle dash Sophie. I speak dash Sophie. What should come? I speak about Sophie. Here we should not use about the. So you have to use the proportion the. Je parle de Sophie. I speak about Sophie. La voiture dash Monsieur Peter est beau. The car dash Mr. Peter is beautiful. What should come? The car of Mr. Peter is beautiful. Here we should not use of the. So we have to use the proportion the. La voiture de Monsieur Peter est beau. The car of Mr. Peter is beautiful. La bébé dash 8 mois est méchant. The baby dash 8 months is naughty. What should come? The baby of 8 months is naughty. Here we should not use of the. So you have to use the proportion the. La bébé de 8 mois est méchant. The baby of 8 months is naughty. Nous arrivons dash Lyon. We are arriving dash Lyon. What should come? We are arriving from Lyon. Here we should not use from the. So you have to use the proportion the. Nous arrivons de Lyon. We are arriving from Lyon. Okay dears, I taught you les articles contractés avec the. The formation of it. I also given you some examples and I also taught you where to use only the proportion the in a sentence. I hope you all understood about l'article contracté avec the. I will meet you with new topic in next class. Until then, this message. Au revoir. Bye.